I told you before, I think in the previous question, I think, see what has worked, like initially when we wanted to speak about insurance, about our category, or try to be a thought leader, an expert in social media, particularly in Facebook, because that's a primarily, when we talk about social media, that's what people generally think. It has not worked that well. So when we moved to a live kind of thing, it has really worked wonders for us, because once we went into the saying how we can become topical, how we can actually link with their day-to-day life, and as a brand actually ensure that conversation is happening. So Ajay was giving an example of a Teacher's Day, or a August 15, or it can be Mother's Day, or it is like a Father's Day. How can you make this conversation work so that you feel like sharing with your friends? Like, if I say that, like, what is your responsibility question? I can do a small quiz on that. So what are the kind of things you can do so that you feel engaged to come and participate? He feel engaged to go and share with his friends. And how can I build my content around it? So the content is pretty important, but more importantly, it is important how it is relevant to the customers. So we had a page for women's segment, which is called we have got a page for our women's segment. Not many people have really started talking to women separately, but we realized that financial independence of women is very important. So we started a page which is very different than our brand Facebook page, because content is very separate and only specifically for women, and we got close to 2 lakh followers over there. So it is possible, you can have multiple content pages, and unless you got that content page for women is called Smart is You. So it is possible to have multiple content pages and multiple Facebook pages and multiple ways of connecting to different sub-segment of customer, provided you have got good enough content, provided you have got good enough conversation, provided you are monitoring the conversation and participating in the conversation. So that's more critical in terms of, that's one of my learning in social media. Third thing is YouTube. What we really looked at, is a video is a very important part where you can communicate multiple things, for which previously people used to walk up to your office. They used to consult to your sales guy. They used to probably call, or they have a grievance, or they don't know what to do about it. So when we looked at our YouTube strategy, it is about how existing customer can get more information about different element of customer service. How claim process can be over there, so that if someone has to do a claim, he can go to my YouTube page and just to do how to do a claim, and he can understand the process. If you want to buy some product, or you want to know more about some segment, or why to buy a plan, or why part of it, why to buy a children plan, when to buy. So all those information are there. It's more about product and plan, and how to plan. So it is about need assessment and planning part of it. Fourth is brand messaging and brand thought part of it. Fifth is customer education, how, like Ajay was saying, one is product part, one is customer education, one is brand, one is customer service, one is claim. So you can have multiple segments, and you can put videos under that, so that customer can be educated much better, customer can know much better, so they don't have to really do that call or try to understand from someone else. So today, see, a lot of people, in India still, people are not, why insurance is still a push-based sell, because not many people really understand it very well. So if you put a small video, 3 to 5 minutes, it is almost like a do-it-yourself video, and it's a trend which is currently happening. So he's consuming content like that. So probably it will much more useful for him. Another learning for us is I think we just started blog couple of months back. We realized that content is not available to know more detail if you want to read. There are newspaper articles, but probably newspaper articles come in different days. That day I may not be interested in reading that content. What it helps me that when in a blog, I want to know more about a subject, I can go there, and it is written by an expert. Currently the blog is managed by internal experts, but in future we have got plan to get external expert to write on the blog. So we want it should be one single piece of information which talks about insurance in detail. So whenever you want to know more, it is a blog is know where the brand, or there is no product push in this. But anything you want to know about insurance, be it when to buy, how to buy, what is suitable, how to do claims, how to get the best of customer service. So all information is available at one piece. So content is very important in customer life, and how we are as a brand enabling people to make the right decision and choose the right policy is very important. Because if you look at the industry, is always about, there are a lot of talk about mis-selling, you know, people have been pushed to buy wrong things. I say it is a collective ignorance, because we all sign in the document. Nobody can really push me something if I don't want to buy something. Basically, it's our blind faith, and if it is our complete denial to learn something more. I don't want to learn something more. So I basically sign, I ask someone to sell. But if you are interested to learn, there is platform available, there are videos available, there are topics available, there are experts available who can actually talk to you. I think this is a, going forward, this will help a lot of people to take the right decision. And someday it will really culminate for a better brand ranking, and, you know, maybe for someday for the sale. What we have not done is, like, you know, we don't really try to monetize the social media. It is not that we had a social business aim and we started the social media or engagement in that metrics. We believe if you do the right things in long term, because you are engaging right, long term you will definitely score higher in someone's mind when he's thinking of a purchase decision. So social media can can really solve the brand well if you remain true to your objective, which is reach and engagement, and really do meaningful conversations. One day it will definitely benefit the brand. But if you want to see that benefit very close, and, you know, you want to make the messaging very close to your product or sales part of it, I don't think you really have that kind of conversation or that kind of engagement.